Hi everybody, it's me, Jara Bee, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. Do you guys ever have those days where you just want to stay at home and do whatever it is that you want to do? That's what I'm doing right now on this Saturday afternoon, and I wanted to come on and talk to you guys and share this haul. Without further ado, let's get started. This bag right here is a Bagolini, and this is a Bagolini Avenue tote with a black cheetah embossing on it. Let me see if you can see the embossing. You see the cheetah print in there? It's kind of subtle, but when the light hits it a certain way, you can see it. I think you can see it right there. So I bought this as another work bag for myself, and I wanted something that is not a backpack, because if you are tuned into my channel, a previous video that I made, go ahead and check that out. I had shown a bunch of backpacks that I had ordered and from Kipling, but this is a Bagolini, and it looked like this, okay? And it has a pocket here. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. It has a zipper back here in the back, full length, and that is the Bagolini Avenue tote. All right, and then another item I want to show you guys is this bag right here. It's from Kipling, okay? This is a shoulder bag backpack. It has a very long name. The name is Kipling Backpack Shoulder Bag with the, I think it's called a Firefly backpack in the size small. The print is called Fresh Floral, and it look like this, y'all. I kind of have it stuffed because I want to shape it a little bit more. It came flat. I ordered this off of eBay. It came to me from across the pond in the UK. I tried to find this bag here in the States and I could not, so I ordered it from eBay off of a UK seller, because I have, and I showed this in a previous video, this is the extra large. This is the Kipling extra large creativity pouch that I purchased from Macy's, along with the Money Love wallet. So my set is complete. So I have my backpack, my pouch, and the matching wallet, all by Kipling. And I also wanted to show you this pouch from Kipling that you see here. This is a cosmetic pouch. This is not a creativity pouch. It only has one section, like your typical pouch does, like that. Open it like this. The thing I really like about this cosmetic pouch is it's pink, my favorite color, and the zipper is like a rainbow. Can you see it? It's a multicolored zipper. There it is. I think you can see it that way. So that is all that I have from Kipling, guys. All right, if you are still with me, I highly appreciate it. So let's move on. I want to show you a couple of more items. Stay put. Next, I wanted to show you these New Balances that I purchased, okay? Come in a box like that. The New Balance 574 plus in a size 9. All right, check these out. New Balances 547 plus. It has this platform heel that you see here. Look at that rubber bottom in the gray. The platform is white. You see it right here. Look at that. Oh, y'all. I think these are fly. I had to have them. And they come with another set of shoestrings in the color black. So if I wanted to switch out from the white shoestrings to the black, that is an option. I have not even yet tried these on, okay? So I hope they fit. I ordered these directly from newbalance.com website. So yeah, I just wanted to show you those. All right. Moving forward to the last item. I ordered from Macy's some perfumes from Clinique. So the scents that I purchased, let's start with this one in the purple box. So let me read to you what Clinique My Happy Cocoa and Cashmere, what the scent notes are for this. This is a oriental ambery scent. So this will have like cacao, vanilla, musk, and a little bit of pink pepper. I always have a tendency to be drawn to the scent of pink pepper. So the floral notes, there's a few, it's hard to get off. There's a few floral notes in here that include jasmine and honeysuckle. And it's kind of sweet. Let me see, I'm gonna spray it on a page in my Coach notebook to test it out. I don't want to spray it on my skin because I already have something on right now. So let me smell this. I really can't smell it. Let me put it here. Okay, so I spray some here. It's very light. I really can't tell you what my opinion is of this right now, but I just wanted to buy something kind of different for the upcoming fall season. All right, so the second scent is Cacao and Kisses. Look like this. And here's the bottle for that. Look like this. And this has, they say, a perfumey baked apple fragrance. That's what they say. Let me see. So, baked apple, vanilla bean with a touch of cinnamon. So, cinnamon and chestnut it says. So let me spray a little bit of this. I'm gonna try to spray it right here. I don't know, guys. I cannot judge my fragrances right now. So today is not a day for me to try to figure out what I'm smelling and how I like it. This seems a little like it might be unisexy type of smelling. I don't know. Maybe it's the chestnut in it that I'm not sure I'm vibing with. But anyway, stay tuned to my channel and I'm sure I'll pull this out of one of my what's in my bag videos as my perfume or my scent of the day. Alright. Okay, so really that is it for this haul. But hang on, you guys, because there's something else that I want to talk about real quick. Because I'm in a talkative mood. So, speaking of scent of the day, let me guys show you what I'm wearing around the house on this Saturday afternoon while I wear my moo-moo. You guys have seen this moo-moo in probably a couple past videos. I'm recording in batches today, y'all. So, excuse my attire. I'm very comfortable. You're seeing me in my environment. So the scent I'm wearing is Green Tea by Elizabeth Arden, and the bottle looks like this. Okay, so it's very fresh and inviting. It does smell green, but lightly green. Fragrance, I really like it. I ordered this from fragrancenet.com like about a year and a half ago. So, and I only have, y'all see, this much left. So let me know in the comment section, talk back to me a little bit, which perfume you like to wear around the house when you're just chilling, maybe doing some light chores, maybe looking at TV, maybe talking on the phone to your family and your friends. You know, you're at home, you're chill, if you wear anything at all. But yeah, that's my scent of the day. Oh, another thing I want to share with you guys real fast to let you know about me is I am a home fragrance junkie. I love to melt fragranced wax and oils and things like that in the house, and candles. So I am burning one of my favorite candles by Yankee Candle, and it looks like this. Let me try to put the camera on it. This candle is one of my favorite candles of all time. Chocolate layer cake. Let me see if I can bring it a little closer. This is probably my third one of these. My daughter and I, we only burn this on special occasions like her birthday or my birthday, or when she and I are kind of like, we'll kind of melt this. Now, Yankee candles to me are expensive, and I'm on the verge of ordering maybe 2 more of these. I don't know if I really want to give up the money because a large 22-ounce jar goes for about, I don't know, you guys, almost $30 for one of these candles right here. And then my candle shade, can y'all see that? Y'all see my candle shade right there? I think that's very summery. It has a tree and some bird houses and stuff on it. I think you can see it. So I did have a matching plate to go underneath it, but I can't find it. But anyway, back to the candle. I've had it burning for some hours now. It hasn't not fully pulled out, and I only have this much left of this candle. So yeah. All right, you guys, thanks for spending some of your time with me. I highly appreciate that. I want you guys to take care of yourselves and stay safe out there, and I will talk to you again soon, okay? Bye.